Hi, Happy New Year. Since we're not going anywhere this year, we wanted to go ahead, since 2021 is over, we want to show you guys some camping stuff that we bought in 2021 that we've actually enjoyed and thought were good purchases. Always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you don't know, earlier this year we bought a tag boondock. So some of this stuff goes with that, but some of it can stand alone on its own. So the first thing that we have that was like a really good purchase, I think, we got the 17-inch Blackstone. The carrying case was separate. I think we got the case off off Amazon for like 20 bucks. So if you're gonna buy it, then I do recommend getting the case. But we wanted to be able to cook, and we didn't want to carry a grill around with us, which I do wish we have a grill, but most campsites have a grill. But this, you know, we wanted something for like breakfast and just about anything. If you can cook it, it can probably be cooked on a Blackstone. So this is the 17-inch Adventure Ready. It does come with everything you need. I'm making it look a lot harder than it is, but it's actually really easy to get on here. There we go. All right, so it does come with everything you need, so you can hook it to a propane tank. So it does have this little connector here. I think screws right onto the side. And then it hooks right to these mini propane tanks. It only has one burner. It also has the grease trap. It only has one burner, but it heats up really good. And we've cooked breakfast, eggs, French toast, fajitas. We did hibachi. If you follow us, we did hibachi on this during Thanksgiving. So, I mean, it's really good. I think we've done breakfast and dinner, and we haven't gone through a tank of propane. So you can certainly use this with a propane tank. And then, like I said, it's got a carrying case. So this was $89. We got it off Amazon. You can find them at Walmart sometimes. But I do really recommend getting the carrying case if you get it. Probably one of our best buys, because when we camp, we do like to do a lot of cooking. So Blackstone 17-inch Adventure Ready. The second thing we have on our list is the GCI outdoor folding table. We got this from Dick's. We really needed something to put our griddle on. And as you know, we do have the tag, so we don't have a ton of room. So we need stuff that can collapse. This collapses all the way down. It's probably about 2.5 foot wide and not very thick at all. Has a little handle on it, so you can just, it does take a little bit to set it up, I'm not gonna lie. But once you do get it set up, it's pretty sturdy. It doesn't always want to line up. I don't know if it's the one that we have or just what it is, but you just always want to make sure you lock in these little legs, because if these aren't locked in, then that's not going to be good. But it has a ton of storage. It's sturdy. I mean, we put the Blackstone on it. It is heat resistant because we cook on top of it, and we haven't melted it yet. So that is a plus. And it took us a while to figure this out, but you can actually hang paper towels on that. So you have paper towels, you have your cup holders. This is where we put, this is the heat resistant part, but you have a ton of storage on it. So when you're ready to cook, you just take your griddle and you set it right there and you're good to go. And then I also want to say that there's these little heat feet at the bottom. Don't forget to put these on when you buy it. We forgot, we almost melted the table, but we didn't. This was, how much did we pay for this?
85.
80 what?
85.
$85. Worth every penny. We've used it on our last 4 trips. And I mean, we cook a lot and we haven't had any issues yet. We got it from Dick's Sporting Goods. So second best buy we had 2021. Third thing that we bought, we got really tired of carrying around a ton of these things with us, because now we've got like 4 or 5 they're half empty. So we got tired of carrying those around. So what we did, we went ahead and bought the Monkey Mon 8-foot propane quick connect, because our tag boondock does have a 25-pound propane tank on it, and there is a connect outside the kitchen. So instead of us having to carry around all of these little things, we were able to just hook this right on to the griddle. It did come with all the conversion that we needed. So when we bought this, it came with everything. I think it was like 23 bucks, but you have an 8 foot long. So you just hook it straight to the tag and it runs off the propane tank that's already on the tag. It does have the regulator on the tag, so you do have to make sure you put this piece on and don't go through the regulator that comes with this, because the propane tank's already regulated. And then we just got this from Amazon. We have used it. We used it when we went to Savannah all 4 days. Didn't have a problem out of it. Didn't leak. Didn't go through that much propane. So definitely recommend getting one of these. All right. So the fourth thing on our list is the Nemo Stargazer camping chair. This is Amanda's. I don't get to sit in this. We got this from REI. It was $250. $219. I know that seems expensive, but she really does love it, and it's really small. I mean, it packs up really good. So, like I said, we are, low on space, so we needed to get something small. Now, this is going to be my first time putting it together, so bear with me. We might be able to speed this up if it starts taking too long. So it just comes with a couple pieces. They're all pretty much connected. It's almost like a tent. They just kind of lock. They're already connected. You just have to lock them in together. So far, I'm making this look pretty good. And I know you guys like to see Riley. He was down here, but then when he realized we weren't cooking, he left. Because we only come down here when we're grilling. So yeah, see, it was pretty easy. You just connect it all together, and then you have these little, it just kind of tops right on there. And then you do have these little tent poles that go on the back. And just, yeah, slide right down here. And for me personally, it's a little snug, but I am 6'2", and it has plenty of room. So it can recline back, or you can kind of just sit up in it, but it does have a place for your phone, has a cup holder, and it rocks. All right, so we also got the Arctic 52 quart for $179. We bought this from Arctic. I think we actually got it from Amazon, but it came from Arctic. The reason why we went to get an Arctic, this was before we got our tag. We needed a good cooler. I didn't want to pay Yeti prices, so after doing some research, comparison-wise, the Arctic and the Yeti were pretty close. This was just quite a bit cheaper. So it does come with the freezable divider and the tray. We have, when we properly pre-chilled this like we should, which means putting some ice packs or some ice or something in it to get it cold, and then putting your ice and your food in it. It kept our food for the entire 4 days we were in Savannah. So I do love this Arctic, and it was about half the price of a Yeti. Now when we bought our tag, it did come with a Yeti. So we do have also a Yeti. So this slides in where most people would have a refrigerator. This slides into our kitchen. I can't tell you the exact size of this right now, but it's pretty small. You can't put a whole lot into it. Chill-wise, side by side, they seem to keep ice about the same amount of length. I can't say one's better than the other, but obviously if this didn't come with our tag, we probably wouldn't have paid the money to buy it when our Arctic's just as good. So Arctic, $179. It's a good cooler. If you drink a lot of beer, it makes a really great beer cooler while you're camping. So put your food in your Yeti, put your beer in your Arctic. Okay, this other thing that we bought this on our failed camping trip that we had out to Waynesville because we were raining on us and then we left. So this is the Kelty Side Roads Awning. We got this from REI for $130. It is meant for an SUV, so I don't know if you can catch the pictures on the side. Like, you can connect it to your truck. But we have been connecting it to the back of our camper to go over our kitchen. We're waiting on a winter storm right now, so we're not gonna set it up today, but we'll show pictures of it. And if anybody wants to see us set it up, we can do that. It sets up pretty easy. I mean, it pops together just like a tent. You throw it on the back and then you're good to go. All right, the next one you guys have seen before is the Chuckit, Riley's dog bed that we got from Amazon for $30. We've used it on 2 trips now, so that means it's went through the washing machine twice. And I mean, as you see, it packs up real small. But we already put it through the washer and dryer, and so far it's still looking brand new. And if you've watched our videos, he does love it, and he will lay in it all day until someone walks by and he's got to get up and bark out. So, Chuckit, Amazon, $30. If you have a little dog, definitely worth it. All right, the last thing we have on this list is the Coghlan's pop-up trash can, which was $16. We bought this because we were basically, most campsites don't have a garbage can, so we were hanging garbage bags on the side of our tag, and they were getting heavy and breaking and things like that. So we said, well, what if we had a trash can? And we're like, well, we don't have room for a trash can. So we went on to Amazon, and we found this little bad boy. It's already put together. Pops right up. It does use larger bags than just your regular kitchen bags, but you get the larger bags, which we figured that out. But now you have a little garbage can everywhere you go. So Amazon, $16 is awesome. Has somewhere to put your trash. Okay, so this is the 8 things that we bought in 2021 that we really like and think that they were worth the money. We've got a list of things we're gonna do in 2022. We just gotta get some money together to do it. So that's it. If you guys liked it, just make sure you like and subscribe to our videos. If anything helped you out, if you had any questions, leave it in the comments. You wanna show them how much you like your bed? Nope. Say hi. Say hi to your fans.